Hey guys, we're going to work more on our division, and this time we're going to add in some decimals. So we always want to estimate first, because that helps us check at the end to make sure that the answer we got is reasonable. So I'm going to round my 26, because we always round the divisor first. I think I'm going to round that sucker to 25, and I'm going to keep this at 800. So we'll do 800 divided by 25, and that would equal 32. So I know I'm shooting for somewhere in the ballpark of 32. So let's check this out. So we've got 26, 834, and 6/10. Well, can I do 26 into 8? Nope. How about 26 into 83? That I sure could do. So let's see. I'm going to estimate 3. So let's see if I'm right. Let's do 26 times 3. 70. Awesome. That's pretty close to 83. So I multiplied. Now I'm going to subtract. And bring down. We're going to bring down that 4. Can I do 26 into 54? I do believe I could. That's going to go in, I think, twice. So let's double check. 26 times 2. Ooh, close. 54 minus 52 is 2. Then I bring down my 6. Can 26 go into 26? It sure can. Now hold on. The answer I have up here is 321. But my estimate was 32. That's not even close. Do you see the mistake that I made? I forgot to put in my decimal. So now it's 32 and 1/10. Is that close to 32? Yeah, that's super close. So 32 and 1/10. How did I know where to put in the decimal? Well, my estimate told me, but also I just had to bring my decimal, boom, straight up from where I had it. And then we go ahead and check. 26 times 32 and 1/10. And that brings us back to 834 and 6/10. Awesome. So let's check out this next problem. This one is kind of an interesting trick. So let's see, we've got 48 and 36/100 divided by 39. I'm going to round my 39 to 40, and then actually I'm going to round my 48 and 36/100 to 42. Because that'll help give us a pretty decent estimate, because 40 divided by 40 would be 1. So we think our answer, our quotient, is actually going to be pretty close to 1. So let's check it out to make sure we're right. So we've got 39 going into 48 and 36/100. Well, 39 can only go into 48 once. Then we have 9, and we're going to bring down our 3. Let's see. 39 is pretty close to I think it's only going to go in twice. I have a hunch, so let's double check. 39 times 2. Carry our 1. Yeah, I think so. So we're going to say it goes in twice. And then we're going to subtract. Let's see. Yep, because what we have left over is less than 39. And then we're going to have to, can 39 go into 15? No, so we're going to bring down that 6. 39 into 156, huh? I bet it goes in 4 times. Let's try. 9 times 4 is 6, carry our 3. 4 times 3 is 12, plus, oh, boom. 4 times, exactly. Now remember, did I move my decimal? I've got a decimal here, so let's move it up top. So my estimate was 1. The quotient I got is 1 and 24/100. Are those pretty close? They totally are. Awesome. So before we start this problem, we're going to reason about what our quotient might be. We're going to look at the problem and think about it for a sec. Will our quotient be more than 1 or less than 1? How do we know? Well, we have 8 and 61/100 divided by 41. So this number, our divisor, is a lot bigger than this number. So if we have about 8 and we're dividing it into 41 pieces, That's going to be way less than 1. Way less than 1. When our divisor is that much bigger than our dividend, you know it's less than 1. So we'll keep that in mind. So then I'm going to round our divisor to 40. And we'll just keep that at 8. 8 and 0/100. How about that? And so then we're going to treat it like we chopped off those zeros. Now we have 8 divided by 4, which would give us an estimate about 2/10. So is 2/10 less than 1? Yep, so it jives with what we know. So let's solve it officially. 41 goes into 8. Now, when I'm doing this, I have to ignore the decimal a little bit, because I know 41 can't go into 8. So I'm going to think, can it go into 86? I know this isn't 86. I know this is 8 6/10, but for long division, I can treat it like it's 86. Yeah, so I bet it goes in about twice. So let's check. 41 times 2 is going to be 82. Awesome. So 82. Then we're going to subtract. 86 minus 82 is 4. And bring down. Hey, 41 goes in to 41 exactly once. So let's make sure we put our decimal where it belongs. Hey, look at how close we are. We estimated 2/10. We solved 21/100. Awesome. Way to go, us.